How to change starting point on Waze. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Waze on your device. After that, make sure you're logged into your account. Then, click on Where To at the bottom and search for your location you want to start from. Then click on the location. After that, you'll find all these options pop up. Click on More, which is with the three dots. Click on More. Now, at the bottom, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Set as Start Point, which is the first option. After that, you're good to go. This is how to change starting point on Waze. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.